How to clear system data on Mac. Here you can see storage. Here you can see system data that I have used to clear system data on Mac. Here you can see Finder. Click it here. Now hold Command plus Shift and plus G. Now you can see here this pop-up appear. Now hold Shift and then this button. After that, press this button and search for library. Here double click it here. Here you can see caches. Now remember, inside caches there are temporary folders and files that there help you to save the loading time. Open caches. Here you can see different files and folders. If you want to check this folder space or storage, click on get info. Here you can see 329.3 MB. Let's say I want to delete this folder. Right click and then click on move to bin. Now this is the last step. After deleting files from cache, go to bin and delete those files. Are you sure you want to delete Blender? Yes, I want to delete this Blender cache file. Click it here. Now you can see my system data has gone down. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.